Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know,
Hi ladies! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 outfits and a makeup look for Valentine's Day. These are super cute, girly, and fun, whether you're going out with your friends for Galentines or date night with your significant other. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and check out the fashion squirrel, and let's go ahead and get into it.
I will keep on holding my head high.
So for makeup, I'm doing a very glittery pink romantic look, focusing on glowing skin, a soft blush, and nude lips. So to start off, I'm going to tie my hair back and then prime my skin with the Glossier Future Dew and my lips with the Laneige Sleeping Mask. For foundation, I'm using Sheer Glow from NARS and applying that all over my face using my fingers, and then dabbing with the Beauty Blender just to blend. I then like to take a little Glossier Stretch Concealer just to make sure that any of my little imperfections get a little extra coverage. To set that all into place, I'm using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette, just mixing the 2 lighter shades and then pressing that into the skin to set the makeup. Now moving on to eyes, I'm taking my Lid Star in Slip and applying all over the lid as a base and blending that in with my fingers. And then the star of the show here is this Armani Beauty Eyes to Kill Stellar Eyeshadow in number 5. It's a gorgeous glittery pink shade, and you can see here in the formula it's just amazing. I'm applying that straight on the lid with my finger and then blending it into the crease. And then I'm taking an individual eyeshadow from NARS in the shade Earthshine, again with just my fingers, but this time focusing it on the center of my lid. Now to provide some depth, I'm taking this Dior Backstage Eye Palette in the cool tones and mixing the 2 brown shades, using a fluffy brush, just applying to the crease with light windshield wiper motions. And then with a flat shader brush, I'm packing the darkest brown shade into the outer corner of my eye just for more of a nighttime look. And then taking that same shade to line my lower lash line. Then finally using this top gold shade to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes to make them look a little more open and awake. And then I just curled my lashes and applied my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, 2 coats to my top lashes and then 1 to the bottom. Then I lined my eyes with the Glossier Pro Tip in black. And then back to the face, I used the Guerlain Terracotta Bronzer in light. And then I took what's left of my NARS Laguna Bronzer with the Ita brush and did a little bit of contouring. For highlighter, I used my Glossier Night Shine in Pale Pearl, just blending it in with my fingers. And then over that, I patted on my Bobbi Brown highlighting powder in Pink Glow, which is very fitting for this look. And for blush, I applied the NARS Orgasm Blush to the apples of my cheeks. Blush is my favorite part of this look. Then last but not least, I used the Tarte Tartiste Lip Paint in Rosé. For my hair, I'm going to do a simple yet flirty loose curl look. First, I need to protect my hair from heat, so I'm using the Prep Rally from Drybar and just spritzing that all over my hair. And then brushing it through so that it spreads evenly throughout my hair. Then I'm taking a 1-inch curling iron from Revlon. You can buy this one from literally any drugstore. And then I randomly choose 1-inch sections of my hair curling in different directions so it's not all the same, but always curling away from my face with the front pieces. I don't use the clamp because it gives a softer look to the curl, I think. Then I just go all around my head and I do the same thing to the other side. Then I always check the back with a mirror just to make sure that I didn't miss any pieces. And for this look, I'm placing a few little hair extensions to make my hair look fuller. I just decide where it makes sense to place them and then tease the hair so that the clips have something to grip onto. And I also tease the hair above it so the extension is concealed. Then I just tease all around the crown for volume. I smooth it out. And then to finish this hair look, I'm using the Garnier Fruit Tease hairspray. And that is it for this hair and makeup look. So these are some outfit ideas, great for all different types of plans. The first outfit is cute but simple and can be dressed up or down. The top is a soft pink cotton top with a lace detail and it cinches in at the waist. I paired it with black jeans just to stay warm and also balance out the girliness of the top. For shoes, I styled it with a black strappy pair from Steve Madden. And then I of course put in an oversized hair clip. This is a pink one from Bobble Bar. And that's it for outfit number 1. The second outfit is more casual and cozy for day plans out with your Galentines. This pink bobble sweater is from Chic Wish and I absolutely love it. It's so cozy, you will feel so comfortable and cute in it, and you can put any white tank top underneath. Wear it with your favorite high-waisted jeans. These are from Reformation and I love the rib detail at the knee. I also picked up this heart-shaped statement bag from Forever 21, and I think if you should get anything from these outfits, it's this bag because you can pair it with any outfit and it'll automatically be for Valentine's Day. And then in my hair, I styled a pink velvet padded headband from Etsy. Outfit number 3 is definitely a date night look, maybe for a nice dinner or drinks. The dress is from Forever 21 and I love how it comes together at the back with a sweetheart neckline, puff sleeves, and it's a bright red color. Again with the same heart-shaped bag, and I paired it with black strappy heels and a classic pearl hair clip. Outfit number 4 is for the total fashionista since Valentine's Day always falls around Fashion Week. Going with a statement coat here, this pink faux fur one is from Topshop. I paired it with a light pink silk slip skirt from H&M. Classic nude pumps can never go wrong. A pearl headband and the same heart-shaped bag again. It really goes with every outfit.
I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost so much.
Outfit number 5 is definitely my favorite. I love this pink dress from Forever 21, so it's super affordable. It's long sleeve with a high neckline and has a layered skirt. It's just so girly and fun. I am wearing skin-colored tights underneath just to keep warm. I paired it with my Stuart Weitzman Lowland boots in a gray suede color. I just love these boots so much. And then in my hair, I just popped in this heart-shaped hair clip just to be festive and cute.
Let's figure out where the road goes.
And that is it for my Valentine's Day looks. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe and check out the Fashion Squirrel. And I will see you guys next time. Alright, bye.
Even if the sky is falling down.